Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm doing a voiceover on this video because the wind distortion was so bad. I'll probably publish the one with the wind distortion. It is kind of interesting. It does catch the flavor of the moment a bit better than a voiceover. What I was really focusing on are these strange circular patterns on the ice at Arkabutla Lake. And my guess is that these were places that were possibly the last to freeze. It looks like there's an obstruction right here. And the other thing that is strange and may seem like a freak out for anybody that's not from Mississippi is that we don't have the entire lake freeze over very often here in North Mississippi. I am fully and completely aware that people in Wisconsin have ice 3 feet thick by the end of the season. I completely get that. But in Mississippi, this is a strange phenomenon. It is beautiful, though. Beautiful Mississippi. I think it is important to add that for the last few days, the National Weather Service has included in our daily February 2021 snowstorm warnings that we should not attempt to venture out upon lake ice. I am completely aware that ice in the northern United States sometimes is several feet thick and that people venture out on this, but we were warned here in Mississippi not to attempt to do so.